Hey guys, so I just wanted to add a bit to Spencer's video from yesterday on the top 3 ways to raise the value of your home by pointing out the top 3 mistakes people make when listing their home for sale. So, mistake number 1 is skimping out on photography. In the age of online listings, a few pictures taken on your iPhone, even if it's an iPhone 11, just doesn't cut it anymore. And that's because people make their initial decisions about whether or not they like your home based on the pictures they see on the internet. So, we suggest hiring a pro, making a good effort to stage your home, and getting good lighting to make the most ideal shots. And if you don't, some buyers may make the decision to not even bother visiting, and we don't want that. Mistake number 2 is overpricing your home. So an experienced realtor will suggest a listing price based on your home's current value, comparable sales in the neighborhood, and historical data. And if you refuse to listen, which we've seen a lot of in the past, and decide to ask for more than your home is worth, you could risk losing out on the profit you deserve when all is said and done. So we all know people tend to look at their home as the prettiest and most beautiful house on the block, but the worst thing that you can do as a seller is make an emotional decision regarding the price that you ask for. It can end up getting you less profit than you'd receive if you just initially listed it at market value. So, mistake number 3 is not staging your home. You may be in love with your blackout curtains and you may be in love with your gaming station, but if your realtor suggests that you change it, you should probably listen to them. Unique furniture may work perfectly for you and your family, and trust me, I get it, but you want something that can be appealing to all buyers. And in some cases, you can just get away with moving the furniture around to create a better flow through the house, but sometimes you may need to stage your you may need to stage your home with borrowed furniture instead, which a realtor can definitely help you with. And trust me, staging furniture can actually draw more attention to the features of your home. So that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our YouTube channel, One Home Team Realty, for more buyer and seller tips and tricks. Shoot me a message if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.